Yo, what's going on, my people? It's O'Shea here again on The Right Way to Love, where I'll teach y'all the right way to love. And I want to talk about some relationship hacks to make your relationship work, alright? And it's simple, alright? First of all, the guy, you know what I'm saying, he should be the head. So I'm going to talk to the guys first, alright? You want to make it work, man? Listen, communication is it, you feel me? Like, if you communicate right, it's gonna be good. You gotta find out what she like, what she don't like, and all that. And then just consistency. So communicate daily, flattery, you know what I'm saying, flirtatious, all that, you know what I'm saying. You do that, it'll work. And, you know, you gotta be equal with the money and all that, you know what I'm saying. And that's really it, man. It's not really much I could say about it because it's so simple. You feel me? Like, you gotta communicate. Try to have as less of arguments as you possibly can, because arguments is they're not a necessity of a relationship. You know what I'm saying? So all you gotta do is A, communicate. B, be flirtatious, flattery, and all that. Don't talk to no other girls. If you got one, you go with the one. You feel me? Don't talk to nobody else. I'm telling you. And you do that, man, you gonna be good. And like I said, it's real simple. Niggas is just, I don't want to say they ignorant because they knowing, so they ignorant because they acting like niggas, man. You feel me? So that's how they go for the dough. Now the female, I don't put as much pressure on y'all because, you know, I'm a man. And it's, in my opinion, it's the man's job to keep it all situated, you feel me? But if your man is lacking, you need to sit him down and let him know, listen, man, you lacking, feel me? Let him know. And let him know he need to, you know, make changes and all that. And if he don't want to do that, then, you know, you got to get to walking, man. And that's it, all right? So if you follow what I said, you're going to be good. And remember, communication is key. That's the number one thing of all. I'm telling you, you got to communicate. So that's it. If you want any questions, email me at therightwaytolove@outlook.com. That's THEWRIGHTTOLOVE@outlook.com, and just send me your question and I'll get them answered as soon as possible.